Hello, I'm Naveen. I'm going to take seminar on pointers and strings. Okay, let's move on to the topic. Okay, what is mean by strings? A string is defined as an array of characters. What is array? An array is a data structure which consists of similar types of data together. Okay, the difference between a character array and a string is a string is terminated with a special character. If we declare a variable using a character array, it does not terminate with a null character. Whereas if we declare a variable using a string, variable or a character using a variable using a string, then it is terminated with the special character, which is the null character. And the address of and when we see through the image, when we declare variable named geeks in data type string, here G stores in zeros in zero index, E in first index, the next E in second index, K in third index, is fourth index, and then it is terminated by a null character, and the address also follows. Okay, what is pointers? A pointer is a variable whose value is the address of another variable. Okay, when we see through this image, here we are declaring a variable of data type integer and assigning a value 10 to it. When we see through this box, here the value is 10, whereas its address is hash 2008. In the next line, we are declaring a pointer variable. The syntax to declare a pointer variable is by using data type. What is the data type of the variable? Then asterisk followed by this asterisk symbol, and next the variable name, pointer variable name. Okay, here this is a data type, and this is the asterisk symbol, and this is a variable name. Whereas here we are assigning the address of var to the pointer variable, and if we want to access the value via pointers, we use asterisk symbols. Hence we use asterisk symbol here, but we use asterisk symbol here to change the value of var, whereas here it becomes 20 in the same address. Pointers are stored only in the read. Pointers or cannot be changed because they are stored only in the read only memory location, whereas strings or character array are stored in a mutable location. Okay, sample program to use pointers. Hash include studio.h including the header files, and int main of function, and declaring a data type in declaring a variable of type int and assigning a value 20 to it, and declaring a pointer variable. The syntax is data type followed by the asterisk symbol and then the pointer variable name. And in the next line, we are storing the address of var in the pointer variable. And if we want to access the value of var via the pointer variable, we use asterisk symbol. Okay. Okay. The variable name of the string str holds the address of first element of the array, creating a pointer for the string. If we declare a variable hello, declaring a string hello, the str holds the address of first element of the array str. Yeah, if we declaring um, str 1, if we are declaring some variable name followed by a equal to hello, the a holds the address of h, the first element of the array, whereas the value of a is 1000. It points at the starting memory of the address. So we can create a character pointer ptr and store the address of a, which is the string str variable in it. We are storing pointer variable name ptr, and its value is 1000, which is the starting memory address, the str's address, and the pointer is located in the address 8000. Accessing strings via pointers. Okay, this is a simple program to access strings via pointers. Okay, when we see through this image, here we are creating a character pointer and storing the value hello in it. whereas the hello's address is 5000. H, the starting memory address of hello is 5000. We are storing the address 5000, the value 5000 in the str pointer, and the str pointer's address is 8000. And if we want to access the value, then we use asterisk symbol to access the value using while or for loops. Array of strings. Okay, here we're declaring an array of strings. Here this is a two-dimensional array. Here it occupies 48 bytes of memory. As we say, 4 into 12, 48 bytes of memory. And here there are more number of blank spaces in it, which is non-usable memories. To avoid this, we use pointers. The solution is we use pointer array. Character city pointer of 4. Storing it in an array format of Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai and New Delhi. Here, when we see through this image, here there is no blank spaces in it. This is one of the main advantage of the character array pointers. Okay, when we see through this, here we are storing it in the address of the Chennai's address is 1000, whereas Kolkata's address is 2000, Mumbai's address is 3000, and New Delhi's address is 4000. Whereas the address of the pointer variable starts from 8000 and ends in 8006. Whereas the value 1000, address of value of the pointer variable 1000 points to starting memory address of the string, whereas 1000 points to C, 2000 points to K, 3000 points to M, 4000 points to N. So here, assuming integer address value takes 2 bytes, so each pointer gets only 2 bytes, hence 8 bytes of memory is enough for this. Whereas strings are stored in different memory location and pointers are stored in different memory location. Pointers are only readable and strings are mutable. Okay, this is a sample program for accessing values pointed by array of pointers, including header files, and by using while and for loops, we are printing the value of Chennai, the value of the pointer variable using the star symbol, asterisk symbol, Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai and New Delhi. The output is Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai and New Delhi. Thank you.